everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to do an apple caramel dump cake with just 4 ingredients. So you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, get a 9x13 baking dish out, go ahead and spray it with your non-stick cooking spray. You're going to need 2 apple pie filling, and I think they're 21 ounces each. So this is like the perfect fall dessert. Alright, spread that out on the bottom of the pan. Okay. And then I'm going to about 1/2 cup of caramel syrup is what you'll need for okay. So you take this and you'll drizzle over. Okay. Got that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this and set it aside for just a second so we can get the topping ready. It will be 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 stick of butter, just stir this up. Okay, so it's supposed to be crumbly. Bring back our baking dish. Okay. And you're going to put the cake mix and the butter mixture over the top. You need to kind of break up the big pieces where you have enough to cover it. At this point it just feels kind of like biscuit dough in a way. And it's okay if it's crumbly. So the real big pieces I'm just going to break up. And then the rest of it I'm just going to pour on top. Okay, so you will put this in a 350 degree oven for about a 1/2 hour, and it'll be all hot and bubbly. And I will show you the finished product in just a 1/2 hour. Okay, y'all, so this is out of the oven now. It has cooled. And I'm going to go ahead and take some of the caramel syrup and just put it on the top, just for that extra little taste of flavor. And that's it. You can serve it with ice cream, Cool Whip, or just plain by itself. It's basically like a poplar. Okay, that's it for today. See y'all next time.